Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So
Yes,
take a
ma'am.
printout of that, okay? That notes, you take
Yes,
a
ma'am.
printout. It include both the chapter summary and the question answers. So you can take a
Ma'am, so
printout
we no
and,
need,
sorry,
so we no need to write the notes.
question answers, if you want to write, you can write, or normally, in 9th and 10th, normally we are giving the printed notes. That's why I followed that, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're writing also, no problem. Then both the question answers, I send you both the not only questions, both questions and answers, and also the chapter summary is here. You check it, and if any doubt is there, you can contact me. So I hope all the chapters notes are over, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then what is democracy and why democracy? I didn't give you the question answers. You need it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, that I will send. Hmm. Okay, then today we are starting a new chapter. Our constitutional design is also over. The new chapter is electoral politics. All of you take your textbook also, okay? The chapter is electoral politics. Have you heard about election?
Yes, ma'am.
Election.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay. Why we need election?
So,
Choose representatives.
To choose our representatives. Okay. The chapter begins. All of you have the textbook?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, take your textbook. And the page number, so 3, my textbook and your textbook is different. So your textbook at what page number the chapter starts electoral politics? Which page number, children?
56.
Sorry, louder.
56.
56. Okay, some textbook it is 56 and some textbook it is
34.
34. Yes, that's difference is there. Okay, because that why this difference is in some textbook the first chapter starts with democracy in the contemporary world. Okay, those who have textbook where the page number is 56, the textbook starts with the democracy in the contemporary world. Actually that chapter is deleted, not for this year, it is a deleted portion. Last year also that chapter was deleted. So the new edition, it starts with what is democracy and why democracy. So that changes is there in the textbook. Anyway, in some textbook it is in page number 36 and some textbook it is in page number 56. Okay, all of you have textbook, so take the textbook in page number 57. In page number 57, a newspaper cutting is given there. Have you seen that? The time is after midnight. Children, you saw that? Anchita?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Anchita, can you read that, dear?
The time is after midnight. An expectant crowd sitting for the past 5 years in a
Talk of the town.
chalk of the town is waiting for its leader to come. The organizers assure and reassure the crowd that he would be here in a moment. But
Okay.
never comes that way.
What is the name of the leader? The leader is Mr. Devi Lal. Read it. The leader is Mr. Devi Lal, Chief of Haryana Sangharsh
Sangarshan Samiti, who was to address a meeting in Karnal on
Karn.
Thursday night. The 76-year-old leader is a very busy man these days. His day starts at 8 a.m. and ends after 11 p.m. He had already
Enough.
addressed 9 elections.
This is a news, dear. Enough, dear. This newspaper report is about the state legislative assembly election. Okay. This newspaper report is about the state legislative election, assembly election in which place?
Haryana.
Haryana. In? Have you heard about the place Haryana?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Haryana. And what's the name of the leader?
Mr. Devilal.
Chaudhary Devilal. Can you see his picture?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this newspaper report is about the state assembly election in Haryana in 1987. In 1987. Till that time, the state is ruled by the Congress party. Okay, till that time, the state is ruled by the Congress party. It is from 18, that means a past election from 82 to 87, the country was ruled by which party? Congress party. And the Chaudhary Devilal is the opposition leader, and he led a struggle. He led a struggle, and it is called as Nyaya Yudh. Nyaya Yudh. What do you mean by Nyaya Yudh? Nyaya, in Malayalam also we are using the term Nyaya. Right? Nyayam. Have you heard about the term? Children?
Yes.
Nyayam, Nyaya. What do you mean by Nyaya?
Justice.
Justice. You never heard about the term? Nyaya, a term you never heard?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, only one person heard. No others?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah, yes. So Nyaya Yudh means, Nyaya Yudh means it's a struggle for justice. So who led the struggle for justice or the Nyaya Yudh? Chaudhary Devilal. He led a struggle called Nyaya Yudh. He is a leader of the opposition party at that time. And his party joined other opposition parties and to form a friend against the Congress in the election. So this Chaudhary Lal's party joined with the other political parties, and they joined together and they fought together against the Congress for the coming election. And the Devilal, see children, before the election, have you ever noticed every party will present its manifestos? All the parties. What all things they will planning to do in the coming 5 years in the election. Have you heard about it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Every party, if it is an election, if it's a Lok Sabha election or the Rajya Sabha state assembly election or even to the local self election, every party will come with some of their manifestos. That means they will say, after, if we are elected for this 5 years, we will do like this. An example I will say, the BJP, they told when they are coming to the power, they will remove the special status of Jammu Kashmir, or the Article 370 will not be valid after that time. That is one of their election. They will present it. What all things they will go, they will do in the 5 years. Sometimes they will say metro will come here, or some of the election they will say we will give old age pension to this much amount, or we will concern more to the welfare of the people. So when an election now at recent, I told you in November one election is there, right? The village, the local self-government election is there. At that time also, if you are checking in your ward itself, they will show you something. If the next 5 years again, if we are there, we will planning to do like this. We will build a stadium there. We will improve the road in that area, particular area. So they will give us a lot of. The same way, the Devilal also said, and his party also said, when they are winning the election, what they will do is, first they will waive the loans of the farmers. They will waive the loans of the farmers and the small businessmen. What do you mean by waive? They will give up or they will abandon the loans of the farmers. That's the first. Sorry? To me? Children? Is anybody asked anything to me? So what is first promise to the people? When his party came to power, they will waive the loans of the farmers and the small businessmen. They will waive the loans means they will give up the loans of the small farmers and the businessmen. So in 1987, in the Haryana election, the opposition party, the state was ruled by the Congress party and it is opposed by the Chowdhury Devilal, and he had a friend alliance with other parties who are opposing the Congress, and they formed a party together. And in front of the people, what is the demand they said? What promise they gave? They will waive the loans of the farmers and the small businessmen when they came to power. They give a promise that if they get the power, they will waive the loans of the farmers. So how the farmers will respond? Are they happy? Children, many of the videos are off. Please turn on it. Children. So the people are not at all happy with the Congress government, and they are so happy when hearing this news. So when a government is coming and if they are ready to waive the loans, the farmers are so happy. The people are so happy there. And so what they will do? To whom they will vote? Suppose you all are farmers and you all are in a debt trap. Okay. At that time, I am Devi Lal, and I am saying that if I win the election, definitely I am giving a promise to you that I will waive all of your loans. So definitely, to whom you will vote?
You.
To me or to Devilal or to the Congress party?
Devilal.
To the Devilal, right? Yes, the people also did that. The people are very disappointed with the rule of the Congress. So they all vote in favor of the Devilal. And what is the name of his party? Haryana Sanghar Samudhi. Okay. And his friend, the people voted and they won 76 out of 90 seats. 76 out of 90 seats were won by the alliance. And at that time, the party alone, the Devilal's party alone, win how many seats? They got 60 out of 90 seats. The alliance, they totally get 76 by 90 and the party alone gets 60 by 90. Why this friend means some in the Kerala, the LDF government is ruling, right? Left Democratic Front. That means it include a lot of parties. UDF include a lot of other parties. That's a friend. It is not only Congress is included in the UDF. Congress include which all parties? In Kerala? We are very weak in politics, right? Because we are not reading the newspapers proper. Congress include which all party? Any idea? One is Congress party itself. Then any other parties there?
CPM.
Muslim League is there, right? Muslim League is there. But in the Communist Party, which all parties are there?
CPI,
Party mark.
SFI,
Communist Party of India, Marxist is there, CPIM is there, then
CPM,
CPI is there, right? Because it's a friend. It's not only one party. It is not only Kerala is not owned by CPIM or CPI. Then another parties are there. Some small parties. That is a student's friend of that party. Then then in the Congress itself, Kerala Congress Mani group is there. So it includes a lot of small parties like that. The Devilal's party plus the other party. That's why we are using the term friend. Okay, it is they are not only individually participating the election, they also come in alliance with the other parties. So the party, his party alone, they get 60 out of 90 seats, and they togetherly they got 76 out of 90 seats. And at that time, the Congress got only 5 seats. The Congress alone, they got only 5 seats. So when the election result will be there, the present chief minister, what he will do, the sitting chief minister will resign. If they got the less vote and if they have no majority, what they will do? They will resign. Then the who become the chief minister? How we are selecting the chief minister?
Leader of that party.
The leader of the party? Which party?
from all the parties, from their leaders, they will elect one leader.
Which party will elect? Is the party which got a minority or a party which got the majority?
Majority.
Majority. That means from which party the MLAs are more? The members who are elected to the state legislative assemblies are called MLAs, right? So which party have the most MLA? They can form the government, and a person from their party become the chief minister. Here, who will become the chief minister? Who become the chief minister?
Devilal.
Devilal, he become the chief minister. The governor will invite the Devilal to form the government, and they formed the government, and he become the chief minister. Then as soon as he came into power, what is the promise he given to the people?
Waive the loans.
He will waive the loan. So as soon as he came into power, what he does is he made an order that the government issued a government order that waiving the outstanding loans of small farmers and agricultural laborers and the small businessmen. So after he came into power, what he first did is he made it as an order that they will waive the loans outstanding. They will waive the loans of the small farmers and agricultural laborers and the small businessmen. But what happened is initially the people are very attracted to him, but after some times his rule was not at all so efficient. So in the next election again, Congress win the election. Okay, he ruled the country for the 4 years, and the next turn, the people are not. He lost the support of the people, and again Congress party came into power. Clear?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
All of you have textbook, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you have textbook.
Yes, ma'am.
Just
Yes,
read
ma'am.
that portion. Okay, first page of the textbook. Just read it. If any doubt is there, you can ask. Hence, Steve, what happened to the video, dear? That first page only, that till that much only we explained about why election. Only that point we explained. That point only you read. Because I feel that you are not reading the textbook proper. Aman, what happened there? Finished? Finished, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, once again. Chaudhary Devilal and his parties Haryana Sankarsh Samudi, and he led a movement. That time Haryana was ruled by which party?
Congress.
Congress party.
Congress.
And yes, the Congress party. And in 1982 to 1986, the state was ruled by Congress party. At that time, the Chaudhary Devilal, he led a movement called Nyaya Yudh, or the struggle for justice, and he formed a new party, Lok Dal. Oh, sorry, I forgot that name to say. He formed a new party called Lok Dal. Okay. He formed a new party called Lok Dal. And his party joined with other opposition parties and they formed a alliance or a friend against the Congress party. And their promise was when they came into power, they will waive the loans. When they came into power, they will waive the loans. And in the election, the people were so much impressed by the Devilal and the Lok Dal, and the people vote in favor of them, and they got 76 out of 90 seats, and the Lok Dal itself, they got 60 out of 90 seats. At that time, the Congress get only 5 seats. Then after the election, The sitting chief minister resigned and the governor called Devilal to form the government, and they formed the government. And at the first decision they taken is they waived the loans of the farmers and the small businessmen. But the next election they performed. They didn't came up to the expectation of the people. So the next election that is held in 1991, the Congress party again came into power. Clear? Any doubt? Yes or no?
No.
To anyone? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Yes, Melvin?
No doubt.
No doubt. Okay, is it clear to you all?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
To all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then we have one more period is there. That time we can discuss the next point. Okay. Thank you all. Bye.
Thank
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you.